What is up guys, it's Mr. Fantastic here, and Samsung is bringing some major changes to its phone lineup with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. From the S Pen to the brand new ultra-thin glass technology to the under-display camera and much more, so make sure you stick till the end. First off, let's talk about the display, and this is coming via Ice Universe, who is a very reliable source and is one of the most trusted leakers to date. Now for some time this chart has been floating around the internet and it is via media, but I don't really trust it because I don't think that Samsung will downgrade the display, so let's just put it to a side and trust the cat. As the outer display, we're gonna have a 6.23-inch AMOLED display with 90 or 120Hz of refresh rate, and the inner display will be a 10.56-inch AMOLED display with 120Hz of refresh rate, and hopefully it will also be variable, and reports claim that it will have better ultra-thin glass technology and it will be much stronger, and it also means that it will also have S Pen support, which I'll get to in a second. And like I said before, we will finally have an under-display camera on it, which is the first time we're seeing an under-display camera on a Samsung phone. So you can expect to have a full view display with no notch, no nothing, just an incredible edge-to-edge AMOLED display. Now the inner display will obviously have it, but the outer display may or may not. I really hope that the results from it will be good because the photos taken from one of the first phones with under-display camera were very smudgy, so let's cross our fingers and hope for the best. Speaking of which, the dimensions of it will be very similar to the Galaxy Z Fold 2, the length and the width will mostly be the same, the design of it is not confirmed as of now. And it is also said to be slightly water resistant too. It will most likely be IP53 splash resistance, which is spectacular considering that it is a foldable phone. As with the cameras, we will still have triple camera setup similar to the Galaxy S21 and S21 Plus, with a 12 megapixel main, 12 megapixel ultra-wide and a 12 or 64 megapixel telephoto camera with maybe 2 or 3x zoom. I'm a bit confused about the telephoto camera as of now. Now like I told earlier, the S Pen will indeed be supported with it, but it might not come inside the phone like on the Note series, so you may have to buy a separate case to store it. But let's see what happens. Talking about the specs, we will have 12 gigs of RAM and up to 512 gigs of internal storage. Sadly, there's no micro SD card support, and 4300 mAh battery, which is a downgrade compared to last year, which is kinda strange. Now, as of the processor, according to the latest leak, we will have the Snapdragon 888. There was a slight possibility of the long-rumored Samsung X AMD processor, which if happened would have changed the game since it would have been the first phone in the world with AMD GPU, but sadly that possibility was recently thrown out of the window with the latest leak, so yeah, maybe next year with the Galaxy S22. And lastly, it is expected to launch in the month of July, which is in just a couple of months and it is not really that far. So yeah, Samsung is really bringing some crazy stuff to the table. Samsung's Fold series has been a bomb. It is very innovative and it's crazy that how far we've gotten in technology. I'm honestly very stoked about this. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys are excited about the most. And if you like what you saw, hit that like button and subscribe for more of this stuff with that bell icon, and consider checking out my other videos just like this one. This is Mr. Fantastic, and I'll see you in the next one.